Okay, after I shoot this video.
You can pretend you're the one big robot.
So here's an introduction to our new project. It's a 1977 Volvo 242, as you see behind me. It needs a lot of work. It was purchased running, which is always a good thing. It's a 77, so it's K-Jet. It's a K-Basic, essentially. It's the constant idle system with mechanical fuel injection, but it does not have an O2 sensor. There's no computers at all. It's all pressure regulated. It's a single fuel pump in the tank. There's no undercar unit, and the flat hood, single round headlights, totally stripper model. It's manual, no power steering. It's manual steering. There's AC, but I feel like it's been added on there. Manual windows. There's no radio. It's just basically just all around basic stripper model. So we're just gonna work on it a little bit, see if we can shine up some of the yellow paint. There's a lot of yellow. It's been spray bombed yellow in a lot of sections. We're trying to take off that paint and see if we can get the original Carlsbad yellow to shine through. It does run. There's gonna be some mechanical work that needs to be done to it, so we're gonna work on that too. The interior is pretty trashed. You'll as you can see, it's the seats are completely torn apart. The foam's showing everywhere. There's just t-shirts covering it. The dash is probably going to need some work. The carpet's completely destroyed as well. So Azra, so we have to replace the carpet as well, and basically there's just a lot of cosmetic stuff that needs to be done to it. It did come with a lot of spare parts, and it has had some recent maintenance. It doesn't look good, but it runs. There's been a new water pump, new timing belt, and tensioner. The clutch was allegedly replaced 5 years ago. It's an M46 transmission, and you know, we'll go ahead and dive right into it and see. We'll probably start off with the interior first and see, and just go from there. The interior looks like it used to be brown. It's the back seat's been sun faded to where it's purple now. We're gonna have to score some nice brown seat covers to replace the ones that are on there right now. The motor does run, but the engine bay is pretty filthy. They could use some maintenance work, some cleanup. There's a lot of hoses that have been disconnected or rerouted, and that's just something we'll have to work on and clean up. It's a really neat yellow. It's 12H, which should be Volvo Carlsbad yellow. It's just got a lot of areas where it's been resprayed, and that's something that we want to take care of before we can shine it up. There's no rust underneath. I've had the I've looked under. There's floorboards and quarter panel and floorboards and the butt cheeks and the rocker panels are all solid. There is a lot of surface rust, which you can refer to as patina. I like it. Some people don't, but that's something we're going to see if we can have work with the car rather than against it. I already started some of the paint correction or the spray paint removal on the door behind me. I'll do another video for that as well, and I'll show you how I do it. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are interested in one of the shirts that I wear, you can find them on my website, 240revival.com, and I make them and produce them, so you can just order one off of that. Thanks.
Is that it?
Yep.
That's all?